Okay, so we're ready to top our pizza. Now in the Ovana Pizza Recipe Book, you will find a pizza sauce recipe. Really easy to make and really quick, especially if you're using the Thermomix. I'm gonna use some tomato. I'm just going to place a couple of spoonfuls of tomato, and when I put the tomato on the pizza, I then also leave my crust an inch all the way around without the tomato, because we want to retain all those ingredients inside the crust, especially while it's cooking. I'm then gonna top with some fior di latte, although you can use other types of cheeses like buffalo mozzarella, or maybe you want to add some gorgonzola. There are so many different toppings you can use. And then some fresh basil. And then we're going to top it with some extra virgin olive oil. Just a bit of oil over the top. And we are ready to place this pizza in the oven.